Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda and this is my feel good journey. My channel is about getting spiritually, mentally and physically healthy. So about a year and a half ago I went through a spiritual awakening, and when I did, I started manifesting so many things that I never thought I could imagine. And you know, I just got so inspired, and my life had just changed so much that it was just like this great feeling, and I wanted to share it with as many people as I could. So that's why I started a YouTube channel. That way I could share it with you guys and give you tips, or maybe you guys could give me tips and we could help each other. I love to help people. I love to see people happy, and I love to see people get what they want. So it just inspired me so much to start this YouTube channel. I also do reviews on the stuff that I've already manifested. I always love luxury items, always. And once, you know, I got my spiritual awakening, I started manifesting. I started learning how to manifest. I started manifesting all the luxury items that I could possibly dream of. And I wanted to make also this channel about reviews on those luxury items, and maybe if you are looking to buy these items, you know, maybe I could help you in that way. So today I'm just gonna do a review on the Alma PM in the Damier Ebene, and this is the purse right here. It's so beautiful. I'll go a little bit more into detail on the purse, but first I'm going to tell you a little bit a story about this. I actually got it in March. Well, actually on mine, I got it in April. We took our kids in March. We took our kids to Disneyland, and we ended up going to Rodeo Drive on one of the days that we were over there. So we were going to go to Universal Studios. We stopped at Rodeo Drive, went into the Louis Vuitton store, and I've always wanted the Alma PM, the Alma BB in the monogram, the Vernis leather, the purple one. Oh my god, I was in love with that purse. It's like the little one, the little purple one with the monogram. Oh, it's just so beautiful. So anyways, we went into the store. I asked for it because I wanted to see what it looked like in real life. We were in a hurry, like we had to go to Universal Studios that day. You know, it was already like 1 o'clock. That was already super late to get there. So, you know, the salesperson, Edgar, he brought it out and he's like, here it is. And oh my god, it was so beautiful. But we were such in a rush that my husband's like, you know what, just buy it and let's go. So I was like, okay. So we bought it. I didn't get the chance to try it on. I didn't get a chance to try anything in my purse. Again, it was the first time I ever saw it in real life. So then you know, everything just happened so fast the rest of our trip. We came back home. When I got home, I opened my purse, and it just seemed like it was a little bit too small for me, for my lifestyle right now, because again, I'm a mommy of 4. I have 2 babies. I have a toddler and a baby. So it was just a little bit, you know, not suitable for my lifestyle right now because of the size. And I wanted something that I could use maybe every day, or, you know, more often than just, you know, a little while on a date or something. So I talked to my husband. You know, these items, you know, I take very serious. And you know, he was like, well, which one do you want to get instead? So then, you know, because he was gonna go to Arizona, so I was like, well, you know, maybe you could exchange my purse. Then I hated to let it go. I honestly did. I will buy that purse back because I loved it, but it was just not for me at the time. So he picked it up. He left to Arizona. Then, you know, when he was at the actual store, he's like, which one do you want? Well, I had been looking at the Alma, the bigger one. I think it's the GM, but those are like impossible to find. Like nobody has those. So then I was kind of looking at a Neverfull, but then, you know, I wanted the Alma so bad that I wanted an Alma over any other bag. So I was like, well, let me look at the Alma, the PMs. I've never really considered the Damier Ebene, because I love to see it on other people. I just didn't think it was for me, and I honestly never thought I would buy one in this pattern. So he was like, you know, it was between this one and the like the PM and the monogram, you know, the LV signs. But he was like, well, which one do you want? He's like, you should really consider the Damier Ebene. It is amazing. It's so pretty. He's like, you really should consider it. And I was like, well, let me see what it looks like. When he brought it on FaceTime, I fell in love with it, and I'm so glad I did. I'm so glad I purchased this one, and I'm so glad that, you know, he got me into buying this pattern, because I couldn't be more in love with it than I am now. This size is perfect for me. The other one was a little too big, and you know, I still want to get the bigger one, and I still want to get the smaller one, but for right now, this is a perfect size for me. And you know, it's not the high maintenance. It's like a perfect purse. You know, I do take very good care of my purses, but in the same sense, you know, I do have 4 kids, so sometimes, you know, I'm like, you know, it's a little bit hard just to like carry it like this. So this is really good. You know, it's protected, awesome. If it gets dirty, you just wipe it off. It's just an amazing purse. But this is a little lock. It has a little LV sign on it. This is a newer version of the Alma PM. I know that they just revised it not that long ago. That's what the guy Edgar at the store actually told me. But this fits my phone, my iPhone X, and then if it's, you know, I always carry some hand sanitizer, then, you know, my big wallet actually fits in here. And you know, I just bought my wallet just so you guys could see how much room I have after that. You could actually fit so much in here, but with this purse, because of the shape of it, you really want to be super organized and make sure you don't stuff it, because when you do, it looks bulgy and I think it loses its touch. So you know, I mean, it's up to you, but I kind of keep limited for what I put in here, but at the same time, so much does fit in here, so I just really have it organized just to make sure that it doesn't look too bulky. So this particular purse, the BBs come with a strap. These don't. The PMs don't come with a strap. I've been procrastinating and actually buying the strap, but I will buy it one day. I know the strap is like an additional, I believe, like $800 to $1,000. I'm not sure. The last time I looked at it, I think it was $800, and I don't know why I didn't buy it, but I do need to buy the strap soon, because I do love how it looks as a strap purse and as a crossbody. But anyways, so here's my Alma PM in the Damier Ebene, and I absolutely love it, and I do recommend it as a mommy. So, you know, if you're considering this purse, it's an amazing purse. I know it's more of the traditional side, but I still love it, and I think it's beautiful. So anyways, I just want to leave you off with letting you know that you're your own creator. Don't put limits on yourself. Nothing is too expensive. You are priceless, so you deserve everything in this world that you want, and you can get it. You just have to ask, believe, receive, and be thankful for the now, and know that you're a beautiful creator. That said, I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Brenda, and this is my Feel Good Journey.